Hi everyone. So we wound up with probably around 14 inches of packed, hard, frozen snow, especially the first 3 inches. 2 or 3 inches of snow was pretty well frozen solid, so it was almost like scraping away ice. So took a while, and it was heavy. This pile right here, now granted this is a pushed pile. I pushed the snow from the driveway, or at least from this part of the driveway. So this is about 6 feet of snow. That pile over there is probably 7 feet high, maybe even higher than that. Maybe even as I'm about 6 feet, so, and it's taller than me, so I'm gonna probably say about 7 feet. And it's pretty decent today, sky-wise, that is. Mr. Billy Yates don't seem to be spraying anything here so far. The few clouds is the remnants of the chem clouds drifting away. It's still pretty chilly. They said it was supposed to get up to 17 degrees, and maybe it's 17. It feels colder though. Yesterday though, they said it was 17, and it felt a heck of a lot colder. Of course, you're in the middle of a blizzard and there's no sun, and 30 mile per hour winds. So yeah, it definitely felt a whole lot colder than that to me. Matter of fact, it felt closer to about 0, maybe even negative a degree or two. Here's the old Sun Sim. Chickens seem to be relatively happy today. They're not spending the whole day outside, but they are out. The roosters are out, well, most of them at least. They're over there fighting as usual, wrestling around. So yeah, I just put down some more fresh hay, so they're pretty happy, and some fresh water for the probably the 4th time today. If you set these water containers off level even a little bit, they drain out onto the water drains out onto the ground slowly. So I just checked it, and it was pretty much empty, so I had to refill it. This snow pile, I mean, I still got more shoveling to do, but I'm all done for today. And my help here, he's done for the day too, and I don't blame him. So I probably should have covered up my wood pile, but to be honest with you, I haven't really been burning a whole lot. The wood stove is in my garage, and I've had so many projects inside. So anyhow, I'll leave it at that. Talk to you soon.